Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I just received a couple more boxes from Island Batik and one from AccuQuilt. And these are part of what I'll be using as an Island Batik ambassador for this first 6 months in 2025. So let's take a look and see what I have just received. This is a new die from AccuQuilt. This is their Irish change, and it's a bob, which is a block on a board. And I will be using this in a quilt along sometime this year. Can't remember when, but that's going to be a fun die to use. And then this is the cutting mat that goes on top of it. So that is something I will be using soon. Let's see. These are, I'm pretty sure all of these are Hobbs Battings because they are a sponsor for Island Batik. Yep. This is Hobbs Heirloom Batting, natural cotton batting, queen size 90 by 108. So I'll be using that as one of my quilts. This one, simply stuffing, 100% polyester batting. We are doing a stuffed animal again. I think I'm planning on doing a snake. So this will be used for that. And I'm sure this is going to be some more batting and some other things. Black batting. This is 80/20 Heirloom Black by Hobbs, and it's cotton batting, queen size. I made a quilt last year as an ambassador with black batting, and then I used solid black batik for the background and the backing, and this was just wonderful for that. So I will be making another quilt with a black backing and use black batting. This is Hobbs Heirloom Premium Cotton Batting. This is a queen size, 90 by 108. That's another good one. And it's a queen size, so plenty of batting. Ooh. This is a queen size too. This is 100% wool. Hobbs Tuscany collection. This is wonderful to work with. I have worked with it in smaller pieces. So I look forward to using that. Thank you, Hobbs. What I also have, there is a little brochure from Hobbs, so it tells you all about the different battings and has samples in them. That is really handy. Really handy to have. Let's see. A ruler. This is Deb Tucker's Tucker Trimmer. And I will be doing a blog hop and using this. This is by Studio 180 Design. And I will be making quilt blocks using this. I've never used it before, so this should be fun. Have you ever used one of hers? I've used different rulers of hers, of Deb's, but I haven't used this one. Island Batik also. Oops. This is a Deb Tucker. This is the Quilter's Magic Wings. And this is so you can make a line and then draw on both sides of the seam, and you'll have 1/4 of an inch. So this is cool too. Island Batik also sent a little bit more fabric. This is 2 yards of a light neutral and 2 yards of a dark that coordinate with the winter 2024 pre-cut. This is 2 yards of a beautiful light teal and 2 yards of looks like a royal blue. Very pretty. Then I also received a layer cake. And this layer cake is called Bright Tidings. And it's Christmas fabrics. So that will be fun to work with. So thank you, Island Batik, for sending more things, and I look forward to using everything. Thank you.